We have an intelligence expert on our side, two actually, who will be our resource persons. So let us wait for the trial. And as I said yesterday, if there is no trial, then I will answer it publicly. But I just want to wait what will happen to the articles of impeachment.
Yung impeachment na nakahang pa rin sa'yo, how are you going to address the allegations of, for example, fictitious names as beneficiaries of the fund?
It can be very well addressed during trial. So our lawyers are preparing for the trial and collecting pieces of evidence and gathering affidavits from witnesses that they will present during trial. But let me just say this, I think it is wrong for everyone to pick up as truth or as a fact all the pronouncements of the members of the House of Representatives, particularly with the fictitious names, because there are rules in intelligence operations, and you already heard some of intelligence people who work in intelligence say that aliases are often used in intelligence operations. So, yeah.
So it can be deduced that the fictitious names are not real names but aliases.
That can be discussed during the trial, ma'am. I do not want to elaborate on intelligence operations. We have an intelligence expert on our side, two actually, who will be our resource persons. So let us wait for the trial. And as I said yesterday, if there is no trial, then I will answer it publicly. But I just want to wait what will happen to the articles of impeachment.
Regarding naman po sa case ng inyong kaba, so yung defense team po, si Attorney Kaufman, he seeks to present po yung Senate findings ng committee po or ng panel po ni Senator Jaime Marcos. So napag-usapan po ba ninyo yun ni Senator Marcos nung magkasama po kayo sa Malaysia? Tsaka sa tingin po ninyo, ano po ba maging epekto nitong paggamit ng, kung papayagan po magamit itong panel report dun sa ICC case?
I've not discussed the findings of the committee of Senator Marcos with her. I do not know. They had a private meeting. Attorney Kaufman and Senator Marcos had a private meeting here in The Hague when she came for the rally. And I do not know what they discussed. And Attorney Kaufman is careful as well on what he discusses with me, because there are some things, there are many parts of the defense strategy that are confidential and are privileged between the lawyer and the client.
Ma'am, kumusta po pala yung inaayos ng oath-taking for mayor of your father? Is it going to happen?
Hindi po ako nag-aayos ng oath-taking niya, ma'am. Inaasikaso po yon ng kanyang mga abogado sa Pilipinas. So hindi ko po alam kung anong update ng mga lawyers niya sa Pilipinas. Andito po ako para bumisita kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at magpakita ng suporta.
Maybe the last question. Nakita niyo po yung mga evidence ni Auntie Claire Castro na half of the evidence po is blanco, na mga barangays that free, drugs free daw po pumili, tapos na masyado daw makapal yung mga list, pero half of that is empty. Ano po masasabi niyo?
Well, it's not surprising coming from the administration, no? They fabricate many things and many accusations. So I would not be surprised if they fabricate data with regard to the drug situation. Absent a law on fake news, kung ano yung hindi totoo, hindi truthful, and faithful to the facts, that would be fake news, yes.
VP, I know we ask this all the time. Meron po bang mensahe si President Duterte sa mga kababayan niya?
Kanina, masyadong mahaba kasi I'm sorry ha. Kanina, he had no message for everyone. But it was so long and somehow hindi ko na nakuha lahat. I'm so sorry.
Pero VP, to follow up on that, is our former president ever tired of us asking about his message to us? Kasi meron nagtanong VP.
No. I ask him his message every day. Pero gist ko na lang yung kanina na sinasabi niya ha. Sinabi niya, lahat ng ginawa niya ay para sa bansa. At sinabi niya, hindi lahat ng mga nakakulong. He was directing it to my son actually. Sabi niya, not all people in detention are bad. I am not here because I am a kidnapper, I am a robber, I am a holdupper, I am a thief. I am here because I did things for my country. And I do not regret going after criminals and going after people dealing in illegal drugs for my country. So yun yung gist na medyo mahaba yun kanina. Pero
pwede ako magtanong tungkol kasi kaibigan mo si Amy Marcos. Kasi palagi ako papunta dito, walang nagtatanong tungkol sa dalawa ninyo. Yung nagpunta ka sa Villamor Airways, natanong mo ba ni Amy Marcos na saan siya? Kasi hindi ka pinapasok eh. Tapos yung si Alpotera nakapasok. Yun lang ang tanong ko. Kasi kaibigan mo siya. Diba kung kaibigan mo siya, nandoon siya sa'yo?
Wait ma'am, sandali ha.
Kasi
hindi ko na kasi maalala ma'am. Tingnan ko lang yung chat namin ma'am. Kung nag-ausap kami nung araw na yun ma'am.
Marami nagtatanong
March 11 yun, no?
Okay, importante naman ito. Sasagutin niya.
Hanapin ko lang ma'am kung meron kaming chat that day, March 11. Pero sa maalala ko lang ma'am, wait lang. Tingnan na lang natin para hindi. So,
weather na yung BP.
Oo, mahaba din yung chat namin. Sandali lang.
Sorry.
Nasa May pa tayo. Nasa May 10 pa tayo. May 7 pa tayo. May 1. So may isang buwan pa. April 12. April 6. Layo pa. March 11.
Is very important. That is very important because si BP is very trusted with Amy Marcos. Baka yan ang manggulo sa 2028. Yes, yeah, I know. Marcos is traitor.
Calm down.
Yeah, I know.
Wala kami during the ma'am.
That is very important, BP.
Okay lang.
Wala ma'am. Wala kami.
Hindi mo siya natanong.
Actually, natanong ma'am kung
nasaan
kung
siya,
pwede nasaan
ka.
siya, hindi ko siya natanong nun ma'am.
Bakit hindi siya doon sa Villamor Airways kung tapat siya sa iyo, tapat siya sa mga Duterte? Kasi nakipag-ariglo siya sa iyo, naging kaibigan mo na ngayon.
Ma'am,
tapos wala siya sa Villamor Airways.
Hindi naman ako, hindi ako spokesperson ni Senator Amy Marcos, pero in fairness to her, ang dami nang wala doon sa Villamor Air Base, ma'am. Ang dami talaga na nagsasabi na para kay President Duterte sila at sumusuporta sila kay President Duterte, pero wala sila doon sa Villamor Air Base at all.
Pero ang girlfriend,
Okay, tama na. Next question.
Wait lang, mag-chismis. Sino ang girlfriend,
Next
ma'am?
question.